Nandito tayo sa Culver's, guys. Order tayo ng medyo madilim na ang daan pauwi. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. On to this video, guys. Sorry for my voice. So, I'm at work now. My lady still sleeping. And, update ko lang. So, right now, I did my rosary. I have a daily Bible. That's something to do. I did my morning report kung anong ginagawa ko by the time I arrived. And she was changed. She's very clean now. Not much things to do while she's sleeping. I did empty the dishes, so everything is clean in the kitchen. The daughter is awake. She's in the kitchen right now, reading newspaper, doing her cell phone. She cannot live without her cell phone like me. And bawal kami ng like using cell phone all the time here, pero para makagawa tayo ng video, para may ma-post tayo, gagawa tayo ng paraan. So, nothing much to do really while she's sleeping. So, ito lang. Ito ang aking background. Yan. Parang forest yung sa likod, pero maganda. So, nandito lang talaga ako sa bedroom. Yan. Nakascrub ang anyong minolbi. Yan. Yan po ang ating outfit everyday. Yan. Tapos ito ang aking mga gamit. Merong pang ano tayo sa ating nose. Ganda nito, guys. Kasi I breathe better. Super. Parang pang-relief talaga siya ng kung manghihina ka. It's very helping. And then, ang aking foodie. Aking cucumber at saka mango. Yan po ang pagkain ni Minolbi. Meron din akong mixed nuts. So, hindi pa po ako kumakain. Umiinom na po ako ng kape. Kainin ko ngayon. Meron din ako nito. Nakaukain tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung makakain pa tayo mamaya. Well, kung gising na siya. Kasi gagamitin talaga niya yung oras. Palagi, move me Mary. Ganon talaga siya. So, wala tayong magawa. So, see you guys later. So, guys, ayan. So, talagang wala rin talagang trabaho ni Minolbi. Kasi, oh. So, ito try kong i-fix para masuot pa rin ng matanda, di ba? Kahit mayaman to, sabi ko sa anak kahapon, I will try to fix it para mas may masuot din siya. Kasi branded sayang din naman, ayaw man na may pamigay. So, ipifix ko na lang. Hindi naman talaga ako marunong, pero, Yan, aking amo, natulog. Ako. She's sleeping. Tulog eh.
Such a clown. Feels as if I were on stage at the Gaiety.
We're used to it. I do wish you'd let me install it in the Dower House. It's very convenient. The man who manages the generator could look after yours as well.
Why she's sleeping?
Interested in the house. I wouldn't sleep a wink.
Ganyan po siya matulog, don't worry.
Sleeping about.
Even Cora won't have it in the bedroom. She did wonder about the kitchens, but I couldn't see the point.
Well, before anyone joins us, I'm glad of this chance for a little talk. I gather Murray was here today?
He travels fast. Yes,
Fine,
I see
guys.
him, and he's not optimistic that there's anything we
Mixed
can do.
nuts. Mixed
I
nuts.
refuse to believe it.
Nuts.
Be that as it may, it's a fact.
But to lose Cora's fortune,
Really, Mama, you know as well as I do that Cora's
Lunching
fortune is
Downton
not
Abbey.
Cora's fortune anymore. They're now part of the estate.
Yeah.
And the estate is entailed to my heir. That is it. That is all of it.
Robert, I don't mean to sound...
May not mean to, but I bet you will.
24 years ago, you married Cora against my wishes for her money. Give it away now. What was the point of your peculiar marriage in the first place?
If I were to tell you she'd made me very happy, would that stretch
Tulog na
any?
tulog.
It's not why you chose her. Above all these other girls who could fill my
Pero marami na
shoes
tayong
so
kinain.
easily.
If you must know, when I
Akala ko
think
mag-give
my
up na to.
motives for pursuing Cora, I'm
Kasi,
ashamed. There's no need
sabi
to
ng
remind me.
doktor, puree
Don't
daw.
you care about Downton?
Ayaw talaga niyang kumain.
What do you think?
So, nung nauwi kami, ngayon sa hospital,
I've given my life to Downton.
binigyan siya ng anak ng
I
normal
was
food.
born here, and I hope
Ang
to die
daming
here.
kinakain.
I claim no career beyond the nurture of this house and the estate. It is my third parent and my fourth child. Do I care about it? Yes, I do
Ayaw lang
care.
talaga niyang puree. Parang dead, parang katapusan na sa buhay eh.
Is that what they call discussion in New York?
I'm
Yucky.
glad you're fighting. I'm glad somebody's putting up a fight. You're not really fighting, Granny, are you? Well,
Your grandmother merely wishes to do the right thing, and so do I.
Ano lang.
Dinner
Nood
is
lang daw.
served.
Maganda pa siya na series.
about the Titanic? I can't get out of my mind.
not again. Give it a rest.
Days it is time since you go. What are the people? In the midnight.
Tapos na
icy
po ako
water.
nag-laundry.
Sound like a penny dreadful.
My
I'm on
space are worse
first
than
batch.
South Africa. Hey, Mr. Betts.
Not worse, but
Meron pang nasa
too
dryer.
bad.
Did you enjoy the war?
I don't think anyone enjoys war. There's some good memories too.
I'm sure there are.
Mr. Betts, could you hand me that tray?
See you later, guys.
I'll do it.
So, my day is over at work. Uwi na, pero mag-stop muna ako sa sa Walgreens. Bili ng sleeping pills. Kasi, masyadong mahirap na matulog. Pag walang pangtulog. So, it's kind of like rewarding day for me at work. Nagsa-start na talaga siya na hirap na siyang mag-push. So, I have to help her do na number 2 ang pagtatae. Kasi sumasakit na raw ang rear end. Rear end means ang kanyang puwet. So, tinutulungan ko siya. So, masaya na siya ngayon before ako umalis. So, hindi ako masyadong makapag-video sa loob. Kasi, mga corner-corner. Wala lang talaga makapag-video tayo. So, samahan nyo ko guys magpunta ng pharmacy para makapagbili tayo ng medicine pang tulog. Medyo madilim na ang daan pauwi. And it's only past 7 o'clock. Yan. Super dilim na guys. And I'm so tired. Ganun talaga ang trabaho. Wala talagang easy. Yung easy lang yung matanda ko si Pat. Pero wala na eh. Wala nang chance. Nakausap ko yung anak kanina, si Carol. She's still hoping. Pero ako wala na talaga. Hindi ko na kayo nadala sa Mariano's kasi nga ang dami kong hinawakan. Hindi kaya ng caregiver. So, nag-drive na naman po si Minogi. Talagang almost 8 na ako darating sa bahay. Tansya ko lang. So, see ya! Nandito tayo sa Culver's guys. Order tayo ng fish sandwich. Ayan. They have good fish sandwich guys. Ayan. So mag-order tayo ng makakain natin. I think I deserved it. I work hard. Puro deserve. Kung puro deserve na lang, talagang kakain everyday. Masarap talaga itong mga burger nila, mga burgers with S talaga siya kasi marami. Masarap talaga ang burger. Masarap din ang kanilang french fries. At ang kanilang custard ice cream. Custard ice cream, di ba? Sarap kasi natikman ko yung ice cream nila nung Kenosha, Wisconsin kami ng mga anak ng amo ko. So, may nag-order pa oh. Ang dami sigurong in-order. Ang dami niyang in-order. So I have to wait. Kasi para pagdating ko sa bahay, mag-relax lang ako ng konti, kakain. Kasi 11 PM. Kuhaon na po na ako akong anak sa trabaho niya sa airport. Ulirang ina ba to or ano ba? Pero tiis lang talaga kasi ganun talaga ang buhay sa Amerika. Ang dami siguro niyang in-order, no?
Thank you for choosing Culver's. What can we get fresh for you today?
Yes, can I have the North Atlantic cod fillet sandwich?
Okay, cod fillet sandwich. Okay, would you
And
like to add something else?
the sandwich and the regular fries.
Right.
That's it.
Okay, so your total is going to be $10 with 76 cents, and we'll see you at the window.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
$10. O diba, ito po ang loob. Pwede na tayo magpasok kasi nga, uuwi na nga tayo. Ang bait ng cashier, guys. Super kind yung pagsasalita niya ba. So, $10. I don't know what else she said, but 86 cents, I think. So, may coins naman tayo dito. 50, 60, 70. Hintayin natin ang order, guys. Kailangan tayo mag-pull over dito sa side para maghintay. This is my number. Number 73. Your happiness, our pleasure. Diba? Yan. Tapos pagkatapos kumain, punta tayo dyan. Wala talaga akong time ng exercise na yan. Sa pagod ko, hindi na kaya ni Minolby. Basta lang ako mag-lose weight kasi nga ang trabaho. May extra akong trabaho sa amo ko. Nag-map ng floor. So, kung hindi ako mag-map, yung iba ang pagod ang mafe-feel ko. So ngayon nag-map ako while yung anak ko kasi nandun nag-fix sa sakyan nila. So while she's out and then tulog din ang amo ko, nag-map ako ng floor. It's too bad nakalimutan ko mag-video. Pero i-imagine na lang na buong first floor wood. So minamap ko yun. Buong floor, first floor. Hindi na ako naglinis sa taas kasi hindi ko naman trabaho talaga yan. Ginawa ko lang yan para madaling matapos yung oras. Ang tagal pag wala kang ginagawa. At ito naman po asawa ko, naglilinis siya ng sasakyan namin. Kasi paalis na rin yan. Iiwan niya ako. So, at the end of the day, I'm home, eating my dinner, cucumber, mango, at saka french fries, at saka aking dalawang coffee, at saka water. Yan po. While watching my palalab, nilinisan niya yung sasakyan kasi ready na siyang lagyan ng blanket. Kasi paalis na siya na iwan niya ako. Dinala niya kaya yung LDR. Kaya iwan niya ako. Char. Balik barko si Ado. Kasi hinaphanap ng company ang kanyang klaseng hardworking man. So, sino naman akong i-ano ko yan kasi he worked so hard to be a captain. So ba't ko naman kukunin yan ang kaligayahan niya, diba? Ibigay na natin kay Ado. So kain tayo, guys. So, dito na nga nag-end ang aking journey for today's video. Pagod lang si Minolby. Katawan ang pagod. Pero ang utak talaga nag-overtime. Pagod din ang utak. So, yun lang, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless everyone. Stay healthy. Huwag natin babayan ang sarili natin kasi maraming umaasa. Char. Okay, bye! Huwag niyong kalimutang ipindot niyo ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos ko dito sa YouTube. God bless!